Let's start with facing and longitudinal turning, drilling, and internal turning, finishing the contours inside and outside. Facing on the backside up to x0 or to -1.6. Several roughing cuts on the outside follow. Then it's time for finishing. A rare operation, axial grooving using cycle G88. It goes quite deep here. The program specifies ET 13.5. Now it's time for milling. Plane selection for the key surface, G15 G19 IP5. Machining at C0 and C180, including 45-degree chamfers with an NC spot drill and G41. Moving on to the front face. Using a virtual Y-axis, the tool moves only up and down, while all other movements are performed by the interpolated main spindle. Finally, a T-slot.